with God's grace, we have not seen any major earthquake, but we should be prepared for all kind of eventualities. In that particular exercise, we are having this mock drill, wherein the main purpose of this mock drill is to sensitize and to train all our citizens, the government departments and the line departments. In this regard, we had a first meeting, the orientation meeting on 6th of January, which was taken by senior consultant Brigadier Gurum from NDMA. The next meeting was held as a tabletop exercise yesterday on 13th. And on 15th we are going to have the mock drill. This mock drill will be happening in all the 11 districts of Mizoram. All the districts will be having 3 sites wherein this earthquake simulation will happen. And all the line departments as well as the Army, Assam Rifles and all other agencies like SDRF will be participating in the mock drill. They all will be activated and they will have to respond to the various simulations which will be happening in the mock drill exercise. This time, for the first time, we are having a bit of a new exercise in this mock drill. For the first time, we are having a night time scenario. So all the districts will be having 3 sites in the whole mock drill. 2 sites for the daytime and 1 site for the night time. As you know, the response of the different departments changes with the day and night time. So to counter all these complications which may happen, this time NDMA has kept 1 site for the night time, which will also be exercised in this mock drill. Simultaneously, in some of the districts, we have also kept bus accident as one of the scenarios. So 4 to 5 scenarios for bus accident and how will we respond to the bus accident, that has also been kept. Some other complications with regards to earthquake like power outage, water disruption, landslide, district hospital getting blocked, that kind of scenario has also been built up in the mock drill. So this mock drill will be happening on 15th. My request through you to all the citizens of Mizoram is, this is just a drill. This is not an actual earthquake. So kindly be sensitive to this particular point. This is just a drill. This is to train ourselves, our responses, how it should be when the actual earthquake happens. So kindly please don't panic. This is a drill. A siren will be blown on 10 a.m. So please don't panic. We have our government departments which will be responding to the different scenarios in all the districts. Now I would request the director.
Mizoram State Sarkar DMA chuan lekan an tu manian chu election hi nakina ataka Lirnghing emo chian na emo lo khena bo chana thado kan ni nan te in disaster a hian mo khurtu hi disaster management department chau kan ni lo state department zong hi relief de rehabilitation chungchanga mo khurtu kan ni ya a response chungchanga ko department de ba ka program ni mo khurtu kan ni veka wangin chunganga kan ni buat sai lo han tla lo ne ti en chin na te ro na chuan em ne tan hi ni buat sai nei wo ni kan kal pui to a ma ni ru ka kan pu so yang khan first meeting hi kan me ya tin ni min isong pathuma khan assembly house an exakian in tabletop exercise atak taka theluna kan chen na tu te kan tu na kan ni thon ta kan lo nei to a chuan na tu ka hian district zong zong a demi mok ju di nei le tu ra ni a kan ai tak ta an khan ti li bi puyer phok le kan ti kan na ba ni pui phok le tu lo se la chian na tak tak kha theng do ne ti na ni lo ba atakin chian na huna kan respond da tu kha kan eti lon cha oni ya ta chuan stakeholder from go put to from district DC office te police lam te fire lam te in kan adventure club lam te tin training from ni abda mitra hoya te hian kan pe a abda mitra scheme hoya hian NCC te NSS te ho te ko chuan an the angin an ti anga tin media lam in kan ti tu kan ti em ti ang chi te amuna ataka an chan kha kan lo in eneni athato ke ma thato lo em ti kan in fi lo na ni dera ta district ina anti eneni mock drill an mock exercise an hi State Emergency Operations Center, Directorate of Disaster Management. John, we have done State Emergency Operations Center. Kami kanene doona here National Observer from local te kanin amuna SEOC atang kuan bunthang tharatil kem dan kha an enfia don ani chung te chu ani ya When you have a coming to a some gun and the two, the killer heavy Pitachi, I know low. The tap came and the lava, I can Huna, can you watch a try and can end on Sava to who are tucking into a job.
Although it has not been legalized, it has not come into legal notification, but right now Mizoram comes now under Seismic 6 as per the new guidelines. Although the notification has not come yet, but they are now going to place Mizoram in Seismic 6, which is very high. So this mock drill, especially on earthquake, is very pertinent for all of us. My only request is, when the siren goes off on 15, please ensure that through you the citizens should not panic. It's a drill. They should not think that this is an actual thing and get panic. That should be clear. At this point of time, I would not be able to give you a decision. We can send you again. But the point is, apart from the facilities, we are now going to have a post-disaster need assessment, PDNA exercise, which is going to have assessment for all kinds of socio-economic losses which have the state of Mizoram suffered for last 4 years. There was a Rimal cyclone, there was landslides keep on happening because of different reasons, especially in rainy season. And then there was rodent infestation in town, and also the ASF which is going on for 4 to 5 years. So our Honorable CM has written to MHA, Home Minister, Honorable Home Minister, that the state of Mizoram should have an exercise which is called PDNA, Post Disaster Need Assessment, which covers all the departments and all kind of socio-economic losses which has happened in the last 4 years. So we have now initiated the process under the aegis of NDMA, and we hope to complete it within 4 to 5 months. After that, we will be submitting a report to MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, with all the assessment done in all the disasters for last 4 or 5 years. And once that report is approved, we will be getting appropriate fund from the Ministry of Home Affairs for all the losses which we have suffered for last 4 or 5 years. Our endeavour is that ASF and Ting Tong should also be included in this. Honorable CM has directed us that these two also should be included. So Honorable CM has taken it up with the Honorable Home Minister, and we are very hopeful that for the first time in the country, these two will also be included in our disaster related assessment. So that will be a very good initiative. Apart from that, we are also having 3 major national risk reduction and project. One regarding forest fire, one regarding earthquake, and one regarding landslide. So all these projects are in a very advanced stage. We have already submitted the project feasibility report to the NDMA. Once those feasibility reports are approved, which are on the advanced stage, we are very hopeful that by the month of February, all these 3 projects will be approved, and we will be getting a fund with regards to landslide and earthquake as well as forest fire.